In this video, we'll install a leg loop on a Kinisi harness. Ensure you have the correct part by matching it to the one you wish to replace. Here we're replacing the right leg loop. First we need to remove the existing leg loop. Start by removing the rear elastics. Unthread them from the waist belt first and then remove from the leg loop. Set the elastics aside as we are going to reuse them on the new leg loop. Remove the webbing stopper from the end of the webbing. Remove the webbing from the buckle. You may find it helpful to push both parts of webbing through to form a bite and then pull on the loose end. Remove the webbing from the forward D hardware. Install the new leg loop. Ensure there is no twist in the webbing and install as shown, passing from the inside of the forward D hardware to the outside. Again, ensuring there's no twist in the webbing, we'll now install into the buckle. You may wish to keep the buckle connected, however for this demonstration we'll disconnect the buckle. Install the webbing as shown, starting from the back side of the buckle and passing between the friction bar and frame close to the nose. Pass the webbing back through the space between the bar and the rear of the buckle frame. You may need to wiggle a bit. Double check there is no twist in the webbing. We will now reinstall the webbing stopper. You may wish to reuse the original webbing stopper or use the new webbing stopper provided in the package. Measure at least 2.5 centimeters inward from the end of the webbing. Be sure the webbing stopper is centered in the webbing as shown. And double check that the center of the webbing stopper is at least 2.5 centimeters from the webbing end. Reinstall the rear elastics. Please refer to the Installing Rear Elastics video for complete instructions. Leg loop installation is now complete.